Stop before you buy anything from Shein. You might be overpaying by 30 to 70%. Today, I will show you real working promo codes and secret tricks most people in the USA do not know. Hey guys, welcome back. If you shop from Shein or are planning to buy clothes, this video will literally save you money. Today, I am sharing latest working promo codes for 2026 hidden discounts, stacking tricks, and step-by-step how to apply codes. Make sure you watch till the end because at the end. Let us start with the latest Shein promo codes for the USA. One common code offers 30% off for new users with code NEW30. Another code often gives 20% off with code SAVE20. You can sometimes get 15% off plus free shipping with code FREESHIP. There are app-exclusive deals that give an extra 10% off. Promo codes change frequently, so if one does not work, try the next one. Now, I will show you how to actually apply a promo code because many people do it wrong. First, go to Shein website or app. Add your favorite items to the cart. Click on Checkout to proceed. Find the Apply Coupon Code section in the checkout flow. Enter the code and click Apply to see your discount. Now here are hidden tricks that can save you even more money. Trick 1 is stacking discounts by using a coupon plus flash sale and points together. Trick 2 is creating a new account, since new accounts often get the biggest discounts up to 40%. Trick 3 is using app-only deals because the app can unlock extra discounts automatically. Trick 4 is checking daily flash sales where prices can drop up to 80% for a limited time. Trick 5 is using the points system by logging in daily and leaving reviews to earn extra discounts. Most people lose money because they use expired promo codes or do not use app discounts. Other common mistakes are skipping flash sales and not checking minimum order value. Avoid these mistakes and you will save big. Here's a bonus trick nobody talks about. Add items to your cart and wait 1 to 2 days. Shein sometimes sends exclusive discount notifications after you leave items in the cart. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and comment Shein so I can reply with the latest working codes. Also, check the description where I keep updating new promo codes daily.